This short tutorial will show you how to use the Sage Knowledge database to search for encyclopedia entries. For this example, we will use the keywords oil embargo. After selecting the advanced search option, let's enter our keywords into the search terms field at the top of the page. Since we are looking specifically for encyclopedia articles, we can limit our search results accordingly by scrolling down the page to the Content Types filter. Under this heading, we can expand the References option by clicking the plus symbol. Next, check the box beside Encyclopedias, and then click the blue Submit button at the bottom of the web page. Our first search result is the Encyclopedia of United States National Security. The top search hit within this encyclopedia is an entry titled Arab Oil Embargo. Let's use this first result. This entry is a short summary of the Arab oil embargo, but it contains some useful facts, like how the U.S. imports more oil today than during the oil embargo and acts as a good starting point for further research. I can save this entry as a PDF to reference later by selecting the Download PDF button on the right side of the web page. I can also generate a citation for this encyclopedia entry by clicking the nearby Cite button. Properly citing your work is an important way that you can connect your writing to other research on this topic and get your voice heard. So be sure to review automatically generated citations before using them in your assignments. For encyclopedias, you will need to cite both the encyclopedia title as well as the specific title for the encyclopedia entry. To find related research, you may consider reading the other articles suggested by Sage Knowledge in the See Also section at the end of the encyclopedia entry. This short tutorial has shown you how to use the Sage Knowledge database to find specialized encyclopedia entries. Good luck with your research and contact the libraries for help.